Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a simple Ankara top with a V-shaped neck. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. In making this simple Ankara top, I used 2 colors of Ankara material. You can use any other material that you want. I used a tape, a marker, a scissors, a brown paper and a ruler. On the brown paper, I'm going to mark out a V-shaped neck. I will start by marking out the shoulder line. Then use my ruler to draw out a line. For the neck depth, I'll be using 3.5 inches. My shoulder is 16 inches. I divided 16 inches by 2, which gives me 8 inches. Then I marked. For the neck length, I went down by 7 inches. Then I marked. I used my ruler to draw a line connecting the 2 points together. From the 8 inches marked, I went down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then I used my ruler to connect the 2 points together. For the V-shaped neck, I went down by 13 inches and marked. I connected the point to the shoulder slope. So I used my scissors to cut out the marked line. This is how it looks like after cutting. I used the brown paper to cut out the Ankara material, leaving 0.5 inch gap for sewing allowance. I cut out 4 V-shaped neck because I'll be using the extra 2 for turn up for the front and the back. Now, I place the 2 right sides together. I'll go down to my sewing machine and sew round the V-neck. This is the front and the back V-shape. So I sew the front and the back neck. I gave a notch close the seam line so I could easily turn it up. I did this for the front and the back neck. I placed the 2 right sides of the shoulder line together and sew down with my sewing machine. I repeated this on the other side of the shoulder line. After turning up my V-shaped neck, this is how it looks like. The front and the back shoulder line is sewed in neatly. For this other material, I'm using 2 yards of it. I'm going to divide the material horizontally across the 2 yards material, just as I'm doing in the video. After cutting across the material, I join the 2 ends of the material. After joining the end together, I turn the material to the front. It's now time to join the V-neck together with the other material. Now I join the shoulder line together with one end of the other material, just as I'm doing in the video. I use my office pin to secure the materials together. I will repeat the same thing at the other side of the material, securing both the shoulder line and the end of the material together. At the tip of this V shape, I'm going to give it a notch about 0.5 inch so that I can easily turn it up. I'm repeating the same thing at the other tip of the V shape. Now I am pleating the other material round the V-shaped neck, just as I'm doing in the video. I'll go to my sewing machine and sew round. As I'm pleating, I'm sewing. That is how I will pleat all the way round the material. I have joined the materials together, so I will iron it round the V-neck shape. Now I will trim the Ankara top by folding it neatly into two, just as I'm doing in the video. For the sleeve length, I marked out 14 inches. You can use 10 or 12 inches, depending on how you want the length to be. Then I use my chalk to give it a curve down to the length of the Ankara top. You can make it a slant line depending on what you want. I use my scissors to cut out the marked line. After cutting the marked line, I'll go to my sewing machine and sew down the edge of the Ankara material. In order to prevent the clothes from flying or coming up, I took the round sleeve of 15 inches. Then I sewed in about 7 inches. So this is the result, a simple Ankara top with a V-shaped neck. Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel, Lily Fashion Apparel, for more videos. Thank you.